Hey there, Money Masters. Welcome back to another episode of Money Mastery. Today, we're diving deep into the world of budgeting, the ultimate key to unlocking your path to financial freedom. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's embark on this journey together. Tip 1. Let's kick things off with the cornerstone of financial success, creating a killer budget. Picture this: your money, your rules. By tracking your income and expenses, you'll not only see where your hard-earned cash is flowing, but also pinpoint those areas where you can sprinkle a little financial magic. Tip 2. Now let's dream big. Set those financial goals. Whether it's scoring your dream home or sipping coconut water on a beach in retirement, having clear objectives is like having a treasure map for your money. It keeps you motivated and steers you toward financial gold. Tip 3. Life's a roller coaster, and we all know it. That's why you need an emergency fund, your financial safety net. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses because, let's face it, life's surprises aren't always pleasant. Tip 4. Time to slay that financial dragon. High-interest debt. Watch out for those pesky credit cards and loans with interest rates that could rival a dragon's fiery breath. It's time to conquer them and reclaim your financial kingdom. Tip 5. Let's make saving as easy as breathing. Automate those savings. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account so you can watch your money grow effortlessly. It's like having a magical savings fairy working behind the scenes. Tip 6. Now let's talk about growing your wealth. It's like turning your finances into a money-making wizard. Educate yourself about investments. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, they're not as intimidating as they sound. Seek professional advice if needed, and watch your wealth flourish over time. Tip 7. Your credit score. The golden key to financial opportunities. Guard it like a mythical artifact. Regularly check your credit report, pay your bills on time, and open doors to a world of financial wonders. Tip 8. The art of mindful spending. Distinguish between needs and wants. Trim the financial fat. Focus on what brings real value to your life, and watch your budgeting skills soar. Remember, fellow money masters, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your financial empire. Be patient, stay committed, and thank you for joining us on this quest for financial greatness. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more enchanting finance tips. Until next time, happy budgeting.